Hi guys, welcome to Jumped Math channel. Alright, today we have example of algebraic equation. So the first one here we have 4x plus 6 equal to 10. I also have another example, 6y plus 9 equal to 15. In our previous video, I told you how to be able to identify an equation, algebraic equation, and I said you have to look for the letter, which is a variable, you look for the numbers, then you also look for the constants, and also look for the operator, and also the equal to sign. So from this particular one now, we have the 4x plus 6 equal to 10. This 4 is a coefficient. Like I explained in the previous video, I said it's a coefficient. Why? Because it was attached to what? A variable, which is the letter x. Then this 6 here and this 10, they are both constants. Why? They are not attached to any variable. They don't have any letters attached to them, so they're automatically constants. Then the plus here, it was the operator, which is what? The plus. Then we also have the equal to sign, which makes it an equation. Then we have the left hand side and the right hand side. The left hand side here is what? 4x plus 6 is the left hand side, while the right hand side here is 10. Same thing applicable to question 2. We have the 6y plus 9 equal to 15. Then we said this 6 here is what? Is the coefficient attached to a variable y. Then the plus here is the operator. Then the 9 and the 15, they are both what? Constants. They don't have any letter or any variable attached to them. So look at number 1. Let's solve. Right. So we have 4x plus what? 6 equal to what? 10. First thing I have to do here, I'll look at this very well. So this is what? An equation. Then I would subtract what? Both sides. Subtract 6 from both sides. Subtract it from the left hand side and the right hand side. Why am I subtracting 6? Because this 6 here is having a positive sign. So I'm going to subtract 6 from the left hand side and 6 from the right hand side. Or I can decide to move this 6. They are both constants. I'll move it to the 10. And when it's moving, it changes to what? A subtraction sign. These are the two ways to do it. So let's subtract 6 from both sides of the equation. I'm subtracting because it has plus. When it has minus, I'll add 6 to both sides. But since it has plus, I will subtract 6 from both sides. So I have it as this. 4x plus 6, then minus 6 equal to what? 10 minus 6. I've subtracted 6 from both sides. Then I'm left with what? 4x. Then this will move this. I'm left with 4x equal to what? 10 minus what? 6. Then it becomes what? 4x equal to what? 10 minus 6 is what? Is 4. Then I'll divide both sides by the what? The number that have the coefficient. The coefficient here is what? Is 4. So I'm dividing both sides by the coefficient, which is to find the unknown, which is x. So I'll divide both sides by what? This side by 4 and also here by 4. So my x is equal to what? 4 divided by 4. My x is what? Is 1. So when I attach 1 to this part, it makes the equation true. When I attach 1 to x, so anywhere I see x, my x is 1. Anywhere I see x, I'll replace it with 1 to make my equation true, to make the left hand side and the right hand side equal to each other. Whatever happened to the left must happen to the right. That's algebra. So if I want to check this, let's check this now. Check. Let's check. It said the left hand side, whatever is in the left hand side should be equal to whatever is in the right hand side. So my x is 1. So it becomes what? 4. This is my question. 4x what? Plus 6 equal to what? 10. Then 4. My x is presented as 1. So I'll put it as 1 plus what? 6 equal to what? 10. Remember, this is my left hand and this is my right hand side. So open this bracket. 4 times 1 will give me what? 4 plus what? 6 equal to what? 10. Then 4 plus 6 is what? 10 equal to what? 10. So my equation is what? Is true. So therefore, my answer is what? Correct. So I have question 2. So try this question 2 and put your answer in the comment section. See you soon. Bye. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to get any information and any questions coming up.